Hi. Welcome to the show. So Anu is the founder and CEO of Map My Genome, and it sounds very interesting. Anu, please tell us what is this about?
So essentially, like if you want to understand, anything about yourself, you can decode your genetic information. So, for instance, if you have a normal alphabet, you can read a book. Similarly, I think when you look at your DNA, which is then every cell of your body, what you can do is you can now actually decode what is written in your DNA, right? So we help understand the ACTGs, but more than understanding or decoding what is there, we help you understand what does that mean for you in terms of your health, in terms of your ancestry, in terms of what medicines will work for you, or if there's any specific mutation or a treatment option that you're looking at, we can also help.
So I think primarily for health reasons, and then second, you're saying for ancestrally mapping it to the right people, right? So this is very exciting. First of all, it's new. So how do I get to do that? Like, what's the process?
So it's actually a fairly simple process. You just have to sit at home, go to the website, place an order, and you get a kit like this in the mail. Okay, a kit like this.
Okay,
right? Depending on the product you choose, you get like this is how it looks like. Okay, someone who just did it, but okay. So you can see this over here. Okay,
like a COVID test,
kind of, but you're just doing it in the chip.
Okay, done.
Doing that, you put it in, then you scan this QR code, and then basically you can register your information, where you want the report sent at, and so on, and then we schedule a pickup back from your home, and then it comes back.
Pan India?
It's in India.
In India.
Yeah.
Okay, very
So anywhere in India, as long as one of our logistics couriers can get there, we can get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you process it in how much time?
So about a week.
About a week. And then you're able to share the results.
Correct.
So what does it cost to do that?
So currently the cost starts around 7,000 rupees, 7 to 8,000. For this mailer, we have a great offer going on.
Acha, okay.
That's currently at 40% off. So
Okay.
for the end of the month. But normally that's approximately
How old is the company?
10 years.
And how many people are doing this? Team size?
Team size about 115.
Okay. Where are you based out of?
Hyderabad, we do have a lab in Delhi as well as Bangalore, but the main lab's in Hyderabad.
And what's the kind of revenue you're clocking?
We're about 30 plus crores.
30
Plus.
30 crores plus. And have you raised funds, or are you planning to?
Very little bit. We have raised some amount of capital, but mostly self-funding.
Mostly seven. That's amazing. You're keeping on the equity. That's amazing. And how is Startup Mahakumbh happening for you?
I think it's great. I think I just arrived this morning. My team has been here. So it's great to see the energy. Great.
Yeah, it's lovely.
On the startups. I haven't had a chance to see every startup yet, but I think it's nice to see the
Great. Sorry. Thank you so much. Very nice talking.